Hello YouTube, this is Zafman. This is a new channel focusing on Vauxhall Zafira-Tourers. I've got a couple myself, and I thought I'd make a few videos on certain things I've not seen resources for online. The first is a rattle that I had. I'd hear it in the cabin when I'm driving along here, and it would be like a metallic noise from the back and rattling. Over rough roads you'd hear it from the back. Smooth roads when you're on the motorway, it was all fine, but over the rough roads it was really noticeable. Most of the forums online seem to suggest there was the lugs at the back to adjust the boot latch. It could be the boot latch that was rattling, but in my case I found adjusting these lugs at the boot did not do anything, and it was a separate noise. And I've found nothing online, so I thought I'd actually show you where the problem is that I've had on mine. So this is a 2014 Zafira. If I go to the back here, I took out all these bits of trim here. There was nothing rattling here. I took out the pump thing here. I would shake and kind of rock the car and do everything. But what I found though is when I accidentally bumped my head on the roof of the boot, and I found this trim, which I've now taken off, which was from here, if you can see from up there. Now inside this bit of trim, there are these little metal clips, which explains the metal rattling sound I had. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these with, I think, some kind of insulating tape, and then refit it to the top, because these metal clips here were rattling inside these metal clips here. So this whole thing was loose. Ever so slightly. If you touched it, it wouldn't move, but if you just kind of pushed it up here, it would make a slight metallic sound, which as the car was shaking, I think it was just going side to side slightly. So if you have a rattle from the boot, check this piece of trim. It's fine. It should just pull out fine. It just has these plastic clips here. Just give it a good pull and it'll come down. And I'm going to refit this with some tape in a couple of days and see if that resolves the noise. Anyway, hope that helps.